Welcome. If you want to make sure you never miss a new friend request on Snapchat, setting your added you notifications to alert mode is a great way to stay on top of things. Today, I'll walk you through an easy, step-by-step process to adjust these notifications so you get a clear alert every time someone adds you. First, start by opening your phone's settings. This is where all the magic begins because it controls how apps behave on your device. Once you're in the settings menu, look for the option labeled Apps, or sometimes it might be called Applications. Tap on that. Next, scroll through your list of installed apps until you find Snapchat. Then tap on it. This step lets you access specific settings just for the Snapchat app. Now you will see different options related to Snapchat. Find and tap on Notifications. Here's where you manage all types of alerts for Snapchat, from messages to friend requests. Inside the notifications settings, there will be a section called Notification Categories. This is key because Snapchat groups notifications by different categories. Tap on this option to see everything you can customize. In the notification categories, look for the one labeled Friends. Under that, you'll find an option called Added You. Tap on Added You to access the specific settings for those friend request alerts. Finally, you want to select the alert type you prefer. Choose Alert to ensure that the notification is prominent, showing up with sound or vibration depending on your phone's settings. This way, whenever someone adds you on Snapchat, your device won't just silently drop a notification, you'll get a clear alert that grabs your attention. And that's it. By following these simple steps, you can stay updated with every new Snapchat friend request without missing a beat. It's quick, easy, and keeps your social connections flowing smoothly. Thanks for watching.